Okay, quantum physics. Before I start, how many of you still didn't join the online class last time and didn't watch the video yet? Okay, then I consider you all know theory already, ah.啊，说明平时那个每一次啊，每一次那个。Okay, like we can see actually the okay, if we look at analysis SPM first lah, you will see quantum theory of light, only one question, but photoelectric effect for Einstein and normal photoelectric effect got 3 questions. Okay, so I'll focus on photoelectric effect first lah. Then the photoelectric effect, normally we apply it where? Okay, very easy. Okay, not in here. It's in the short notes and exercise I gave you before. So you can see it is solar panel cell. Solar panel cell. And what else? Actually here, and a sensor of camera. Okay, so do you know how camera works? Do you know how camera works? Let's say this is a DSLR. Normally this part is closed, right? So when you catch up, what happened? Yes, this one open. Shing. This one open. Open, and actually what was happened here? What was happening here? Let's say you are here. So it will take the light from you, enter where? Enter to the sensor, to the image sensor. Okay, by the way, last time this image sensor is made by a film. Do you see the film before? Yes, film. Huh? Huh? Our enable waiting room now. Film camera. Film camera. This one. Last time we are using this. So actually what happened to this film? You can see the light will be absorbed and exposed on the film. But now it's changed to image sensor in camera. Okay, so it looks like this. Inside is like this lah. So actually these things using the photoelectric effect means it will absorb the light and light will create electron, produce electron. 可以吗？ Yeah, very good. Yeah, anyone wants to break your phone and show? Yeah, 电话里面有的，你要丢一下吗？要，来拿来给我丢一下。Okay, so this is the application now. Okay, so now let's look at okay, directly we look at analysis first, page 89, right? Page 59. Number 1, analysis SPM, right? Okay, which of the following statements states the quantum theory of Max Planck and Albert Einstein? Yeah. Okay, like A, B, 1、2、3、4、5，5个。1、2、3、4、5、6，C and D 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14个。来，你们那三个 Adrian、Brandon、Joshua，你是明白什么是 photoelectric 的吗？嗨，温丽，我看到你了。温丽答案。温丽讲，关我什么事？Actually, I'm not too sure, but I think answer is B. Good. Yeah. What answer is D? Yeah, I feel answer is B lah. Answer D 哦。Okay, I tell you what. Now paper 1 become hard because last time they will give. Okay, they will give 3 very wrong answer, 1 really correct answer. But now they will give 2 very wrong answer and 2 like similar, like closer. Okay, I read again. I think quantum theory. Yeah, I think D is more correct lah. Because they talk about photon is light energy. And in the form of energy packet. B. They just say discrete energy packet, but they don't talk about light. So I think yes, like D is more correct. Okay, so it's like playing the sentence lah. So not especially you will see during our final year or our mid-year, you will see you normally score 20 over 40 only or less than that. Trial also may be like that. But the real SPM would if you get 20 real SPM you may get 25 lah. But if you really understand then you can score 30 lah. So like that lah. Then do you do the objective question? I give you the link in Telegram. How many of you already do at least one chapter? Only one person, 2, 3, 4, only 4. If you want to score well, please practice the Google quiz. Google form, Google quiz. Oh, then 5. 5 out of 30. 1/6 of the class. 他没有，所以也是对。也是对。我还没有时间把它 convert 成直接有答案的。你做过了有答案出来吗？I think that's why they want you to repeat until you get all correct lah. Yeah. Okay, so now this one, photoelectric effect. Like, what is the formula for photoelectric effect? 来 Brandon 会没有？不会。Joshua 会没有？啊？大声一点。No！ 来，明浩。哇老诶。来，强丁。Yes, very good. That's it. E equals to W naught plus kinetic energy max. Walao eh. Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric. Like, who can define what is photoelectric? 来啦，陈威啦，建伟，对不起，建伟啦。来，不会的人跟我站住，刚才问过都不会的人跟我站住。来，站。啊，没啦，没到死飞噻。Hello 诶。
when the surface is electrical and by speed of light with a certain frequency, then electron enter from the
Yes, very good. Sit down. 来，你们3个都跟我站。都不会。不会又不看。你会了不用看，我无所谓啦，不会又不看。来 repeat。就你啦。一点来。Yes. It's the emission of electron. You can terbalik the sentence, never mind, as long as you mention the two. Emission of electron from metal surface when a beam of light with certain frequency is illuminated on it. 就是讲有光照在那个金属上，就会有 electron 跑出来，可以吗？来 repeat. You repeat and you can sit down. 来 1C. Repeat. At certain Yeah, good. 来，维轩 repeat. 看着我 Look at my eyes. With the light at certain Yeah, good. That's it. Thank you. Sit down. Đấy, Gia Vân. Walau.
Mental survey is brought by a team of light and certain frequency. Electrons is edited in top.
Yeah, good. Right, Xavier, fast. We don't say wavelength, we say frequency. What electron? Release. Normally we use emit. Yeah, good. Can? Đấy, Minh Hao 可以了吗？啊？ When a beam of light is illuminated on a metal surface. Illuminated on a metal surface. Oh, sorry. When a beam of light with certain frequency. Must mention certain frequency is illuminated on a metal surface. 来，会了吗？接下去 electron 跑出来，英文。Yeah, electron is emitted, or we say electrons are emitted out. 可以吗？ So this one is a little bit similar to the thermionic emission. That one is you heat up, then electron emit out. This one is you just shine the light on it, then electron come out. Can? 可以背了吗？来了。啊。Look at my eyes. Excellent. 所以咯，你看要怎样教？全班人在等着你，教你看又不看。Okay, when a beam of light with certain frequency is illuminated, 照在这个 metal 上面，然后 electron 就会跑出来。Okay, so 通常是一个 light shines on 一个 electron， 它就跑一粒出来，可以吗？所以这里3条应该要有3个 electron 跑出来，可以吗？ So this formula is like this. Let's say, let you treat the electron like cake lah, like a cake. Okay, so this cake is RM 9 ringgit. Every cake 9 ringgit. So you need to pay, let's say they only receive cash. You need to pay how much for one cake? You need to give how much cash for one cake? Normally 10 ringgit lah. I mean cash only. Yeah, so you need to give 10 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 10 ringgit. Agree? So you give one piece of 10 ringgit to one cake. Then how much you balance? 1 ringgit. So normally they will give you back 3 ringgit lah, right? Means one cake will have balance 1 ringgit. Get the idea? So now same thing lah. This is the relationship for light and electron. This light say I have 10 joules of energy. Then electron say, you give me 9, then only I go out. Okay, so spend 9 ringgit here, 9 joules of energy here. Then now the electron go out with 1 joules of energy. So here got 3 energy, can? So we say total is 10 joules of energy equals to, we need to spend the cost 9 ringgit, 9 joules, can? Then plus kinetic energy, how much? 1 joule. Then, now, let's identify their name. So, what is the E? Yes, let's write. E stand for photon energy. 对了没有？尤其是那几个不会的啊。So, let's say 啦 10 joules 啦。Then, W naught, we say, what is it? The name. Yes, no. Work is correct. Work function. 可以吗？ Then K max means what? Maximum kinetic energy. So actually these 3 are energy. Work function 也是 energy 来的哈。只是有个名叫 work function。我相信你们忘记了的，什么是 work done? Energy. So let's say work function 9 joules. So you only can go out with 1 joules of kinetic energy. Okay, now get the idea of photoelectric effect. Like you pay money, you get the goods and 1 ringgit balance. Okay, so now, which of the following describe the photoelectron? "如果会了的继续再做。有答案了吗？就刷。明浩有吗？ Brandon 有吗？来 answer is donkey. Okay, good. Okay. So, see, just now I described light first, then electron emit out. This sentence describes electron first, then metal is shined by the light. Both also can, no problem. Can? Simplify is you shine the light, electron come out, that's it. Okay, so Joshua 可以背了吗？什么是 photoelectric effect？ 有啊 ，emission of electron。倒反。断了。等你们等到Okay, so now next. Now this one is the same thing. This is a lithium metal illuminated by light. illuminated 的意思就是它 shine on it， 就是讲那个光照在这个金属上面 ，OK？ 这个光照在这个金属上面 ，but no photoelectron are emitted。为什么 ？Why? Look at my eyes. Okay, because what is the color of light may cause this situation? Yeah, it's red. So, what can we say? Okay, by the way, red photon is equal to HF red. So, if red color cannot emit out electron, what is the possibility? Yes. Okay, or you think another way. This is the metal. This is the electron. You treat this electron as cake. Cake 1, cake 2, cake 3. This cake need 9 ringgit. What is the situation? Cannot take out. You have less money. Yeah, your money less than the price. It fixed. So cannot take out the cake lah. So same thing here. We say red light. Okay, the cathode need to, let's say the cathode need to absorb at 8 joules of, 9 joules of energy here. What is the name of this energy? 来，诗琪。What is the name of this energy? 9块钱是你的定价，定价是什么意思？来，汉伦，不是，钢罐。Yeah, it's work function. Red light is 8 ringgit. 8 ringgit means this is what kind of energy? 来 Joshua. Yeah, photon energy. Yes, this is photon energy, E. So let's say this is the formula. E equals to work function plus KE max. E is 8. Work function 9. Do you have KE max? No, because you still lack of 1 joules of energy. Get the idea? Yeah, thank you, Joshua. Sit down. So, now what can we say? We can say because, number 1, photon and, no photoelectric effect means, number 1, photon energy less than work function. Can? Number 2, let's figure out the formula for photon energy. What is it? HF. Agree? What is the formula for work function? HF naught. F naught is what? Threshold frequency. So if we deduct the Planck constant, so we get light frequency is less than threshold frequency lah. So these two reasons can. We always compare frequency with frequency, energy with energy. 可以吗? So now which statement is correct? 来，好了吗？文妮，答案。Look at my eyes. 文妮不理我。我怀疑他开着 camera 然后睡觉。在啊。 很好，他不要理我。下礼拜回来你就知道。他讲 D。来 ，Brandon 明浩 agree D or not？ 不，还是不确定。OK 啦，明浩呀 sit down。哎呀 ，Brandon 你也 sit down。Okay, so yes, either you say photon less than work function, but see the ballet work function lower than this, so wrong. Then or frequency of light is lower than threshold frequency. Now understand? The question always asks this question only. You just need to know their relationship done. Okay, line next. Again, can you, okay, this one is the formula given in your formula list. I feel this is quite confusing lah. So basically it is photon energy equals to 什么 work function plus kinetic maximum kinetic energy. So E equals to HF. Work function is HF node. Then this one. Kinetic energy half mv square 啦。阿婆睡觉了。阿婆。Okay, so now which statement describe this equation? 来 fast. Like A, B, C. 非常好 very good. D. No one, huh? Okay, good. Okay, I want you to change the mistake from the sentence. W represent the maximum energy to release electron from a metal surface, right? W is the kinetic energy. 不然 work function actually means minimum energy. For example, 9 joules, at least 9 joules. You want to buy a cake 9 ringgit, at least you must have 9 ringgit. Understand? Actually, you are right, you know. Okay, that one later lah. Okay, so now frequency of energy is produced from the release of electron. No such thing, cancel. Okay, total minimum energy to release electron from the metal surface. With its work function, you can either write HF or HF node. 可以吗 Brandon? 不要睡觉，还是你站着比较精神。Okay, so Again, now let's make a conclusion. E equals to W naught plus K max. So E equals to what? H F. This F means F of what? This F is F of light. W naught work function formula H F naught. What is this F naught? Yeah, we say threshold frequency. What's the meaning of threshold frequency? It's the minimum frequency to release the electron. Where we find this frequency? On the metal or on the light? Yes, so we can get a conclusion. This F photon come from light. This F naught come from metal. Do you know why metal got frequency? Because we learned this in Form 1 science. Solid particles, vibrate at fixed position. So actually every metal, they have their own particles vibrate at fixed position. So every metal got different threshold frequency, okay? Then kinetic energy formula 1/2 mv squared max. So this energy is counting on which part? Yes, the electron that release out. 它跑出来了的速度，可以吗？跑出来的速度。So if you want to count the light, HF. If you want to count the metal, HF naught. If you want to count how fast is electron, K max half mv squared. 可以吗？ So we also can get a conclusion. If I want kinetic energy, but I don't have M and V, how can I do? What can I do? 来 Adrian 要睡觉了，来动一下脑筋就不会睡了。下一个就是你。对。我有10块钱，现在你要用9块钱来买一个 cake， 所以你剩多少钱？E， 你怎样拿到 E？ 什么减什么 ？E 减 W naught， 懂吗？ Okay, so seems like you understand, yes. Let's do the subjective. Diagram 2 shows apparatus to study the effect of photoelectric for zinc metal. This is a zinc metal. The electrons are emitted from the surface of the zinc metal and move towards to the anode. From negative to positive and flows inside lah. Now, the light frequency. When they say light frequency, let's recall E equals to W naught plus K max. Light frequency is related to E or W naught or K. E, because E equals to HF. Now, this one, no? That exits threshold frequency F naught of the zinc. Now, so F naught means the metal. F only means the light plus K max. Now, what is the meaning of threshold frequency? Okay, please memorize this. This is the formal sentence you memorize, huh? So we say it is the minimum frequency to emit. Huh? No. To emit. Yeah, to emit it. Can say emit electron, or we say photoelectron. You can say electron, but I prefer you all use photoelectron because this electron produced by photon. Okay, then before we proceed, I want to ask, what is the meaning of photo?
Okay.
Yes, photo means light. Now, yeah, a question I think I asked before, but I want to ask again. Right, let's say I say, okay, everyone, let's take a picture, or let's take a photo. Right, let's take a picture, or let's take a photo. A, B. Thank you very much. Yeah, photo means you take the light from you into the camera. Okay? Take the light from you to camera. Anche Ananda taught me this. Photo. English. Okay, so now, calculate the work function. Given work function is W equals to HF naught. So, Brandon, H 多少？做啦，等什么？你们会就做啦。诶，做了没？几时？
没有。
OK。Brandon, H 多少？Okay, 6.6 times 10 powers of negative 34. F naught 多少？不知道，100下去。啊，这里没有给怎么办？对，它在上面。F naught on the top. Threshold frequency. 诶，没有给哦，对不起。诶，他真的没有给 F naught 诶。有咩？没有，这个是 HF 罢了。F naught 没有给。F naught 真。
有真是好。所以答案是这个来的，老师对。
他有搞错吗？ Has something wrong somewhere there? SPM. This is here.
老师陪同我们。
Excuse me. While I'm looking for the answer, what should you do? Revise and review. Continue do. Not taking the chance and chit chat with your friend. You think you go home will do this? I don't think so. So why not you use this atmosphere and you revise now? Okay, this question we hold on first. I asked ChatGPT, is it possible to be a threshold frequency, but no, they say it's light frequency, but I think it's some errata from the exam question now. Start 2021 every year, physics SPM got 1 or 2 minor error lah. Yeah. It won't give bonus, huh? It won't never give bonus. Even though they wrong, also they won't give bonus. So yeah, now we only can choose to use this 9 times 10 powers of 14 hertz. Okay. So now 2 marks. The intensity of light that strikes the surface of zinc metal does not affect the kinetic energy of electron. Explain why. Why? Yes. Now you can use back the formula E equals to W naught plus KE max. So K max actually only depends on photon. This is energy. Energy only depends on energy. So we say kinetic energy only is only affected by what energy? Yes, by photon energy. Okay. Wow. So light intensity, okay, by the way, anyone not sure what is intensity of light? Okay. Intensity of light actually called brightness of light. Then how bright is it? We use the quantity intensity. Actually, you just learned once in Form 4 Chapter 1 called luminous intensity. But don't worry, forget about it. Okay, so how bright is it? We use intensity. Higher intensity means brighter. Lower intensity means dimmer, can? Right? High intensity means brighter. Brighter means more beam of light. More beam of light. So now, who can explain what is low intensity? What is the meaning of low intensity? Wait, yes. Like Minghao, opposite to brighter is? Yeah, dimmer. 我听到你讲 dinner，那么现在就在想晚餐了吗？ Okay, so dimmer means more or less beam of light, less beam of light. So we also can say the intensity of light increases okay, so the intensity of light increases means number of photoelectron increases. 可以吗？就是讲你有越多钱，越多一张的10块钱，你可以带更多的 cake 出来 ，electron 就是 cake 来的。你去买 cake，就是蛋糕啦。啊？可以。 This one. More beam of light means higher intensity. So more beam of light, you can bring out more electron. 可以吗？但是它走出去的速度就 depends on 它的总共的 photon 速度。So kinetic energy means the speed. Okay, so now like fast this one. Name the phenomenon. 来，嘉文。Yeah, photoelectric effect. How why it milliammeter pointer deflect? 来，感官，不是汉伦。为什么这个会动？ Yes, so 2 marks. Number 1, you can say because there is or there are photoelectron flowing in the circuit. So when electron flow in the circuit means what? Electron flows to the left. On the same time, what flows to the right? Current, right? So electric current, yeah, also flows. 可以吗？ So we say I equals to Q over T. Q is charge. The charge here means the electron. Electron flows means current flows. 2 marks in your hand. Okay, like next. You read and tell me what to do. Like one. Info first, thank you.
frequency and one.
Yes, work done equals to a question mark. Planck constant, don't give how. Yeah, formula list is given. Yeah, your formula list given. Planck constant 6.63 times 10 powers of negative 34. Can 6.63 times 10 powers of negative 34. 6.63 times 10 powers of negative 34. Then work function equals to HF node. Calculate it yourself. 可以吗？当你个头。
Tới em nói gì tay nữa thì giao tiền phạt
Okay, so now class. Like we look at the short notes I gave you before. Now we look at page 13. Page 13. Okay, this is a photocell circuit with a glass vacuum tube. a semi-cylindrical cathode coated with metal X and anode. When the photocell is illuminated by light source with certain frequency, the production of photoelectric current is produced in the circuit. Table 21 shows characteristics of PQRS. Okay, you read these two sentences. Tell me what is the criteria. Yes, please underline produce higher current. Underline means what? Don't use this as your reason. Yeah, answer or reason. This time, if I don't see you highlight or underline or bracket the key, you die, you. Okay, so now, what do you think? Which one is the best? You may ask me, teacher, what is EV? It is another unit for energy. Like, okay, for example, like cm and inches, something like that. Like joules and calorie. Actually, we got one more EV. You just treat it as unit of energy first. Like, which one is the best as a photocell? Okay, I get the answer already. R. 哪一个？第二个。对吧？ get 到了吗？你有在读吗你？还是你在发呆 ？Brandon， 你有在读吗？你的答案是什么 ？PQRS 啊？你猜一下，随便选一下，随便选一下 PQRS。你有这张纸吗 ？Q 没有这张纸，没有带。Okay, 来 who say P? Who say Q? Yeah, correct, Q. Okay, like first of all, if you are not sure what function, we look at surface lah. Of course, surface of cathode, the bigger the better, right? Light frequency, E equals to HF. If you want greater energy, you should have greater frequency, agree? Yes, so high. Then light intensity. Yes, high. So the best is, actually you can, if you are not sure this, you can see already lah. Okay, so now, I assume all of you know how to make table, Only Cashvin, Cashvin didn't come. Only Cashvin, still don't use table. Okay, so now this one, work function, we write 2.50 EV, correct? No. What should we write? Yeah, should write low. But I think 2.14 lower lah. Don't use moderate. No moderate. Don't say too much. Don't say not too large, not too small. No. Okay? Okay, actually it's like this. Which one is the highest? Highest is 5.65, correct? So lower than this, all of these can say is low. Understand that? Yes, so low. Why low? Like according to the formula again, E equals to W naught plus K max. Let's say if you got 10 ringgit, the work function is 3. And the work function is 5. Which one to emit out the electron? 3 or 5? 3, right? So we say smaller work function, easier to produce photoelectron. Easier to produce photoelectron. Then we can say what? We can say what will happen to the kinetic energy? Lower work function means after you minus, you will get. After you minus, you will get higher or greater kinetic energy, right? Greater kinetic energy. 全部都是用 formula 来找 reason 就很容易了，可以吗？来 next. Why surface of area should be bigger? Yeah, big. Why big? More, can I say so it will have more photoelectric current? Can I say that? No, why not? Because it is your criteria. So we cannot say photoelectric current. What can we say? Yes, we can say it will produce more photoelectron. 可以吗？ Produce more photoelectron. Light frequency of the light should be high. Why should be high? Okay. Remember, I should write greater or higher. Write the adjective. I believe I won't see number already in trial. Why greater frequency? Like according to this, greater frequency means you will get greater what? Oh, can. You can get greater kinetic energy of electron or photoelectron. One more, what you can say? You say K already, right? E equals to what? HF. Frequency higher means E higher. What is E? What energy? Photon energy. So write one more. Greater photon energy. 可以吗？ The question just repeat here, repeat there. That's it. So if you see this, please get full marks from here. Now, the last. Light intensity should be high. Why? Okay, brighter actually means what? More beam of light means what? It will produce more photoelectron. Like you got many 10 ringgit notes. You can buy a lot of cakes. You treat the electron like cakes. Okay. Okay, like now look at this. Solar panel cell, this one you calculate yourself. Now look at the seed. Just beside, look at the seed. 来，魏忠，为什么转过去？来 modify the solar cell so that it can generate electricity with more efficient. Okay, so surface area of the solar panel cell should be Y large. Collect more solar power. No. Yes, produce more. I heard proton. Photoelectron. Yes. Or here you can say, they just say electricity. They don't say current. So we can say produce more current, photo current, or just current, electric current. Now, mass of solar cell panel. Yes, should be low. Why should be low? Lighter. Yeah, low. You always make it as a packet. Low mass, lighter, low density. Can? Now, type of connection for solar cell panel. 不是 connection means how they connect. Connect normally got two, series or parallel. Like series or parallel. Like series. 两个三个 parallel 剩下的 majority. This one, yes, answer actually is series. This one we need to look back to chapter 3, form 5, chapter 3. Look at this. Okay, before we continue, I want to ask, solar cell panel, it's a source to provide energy, or is the device use energy? Produce energy. Can we treat it like a battery?
No.
Can. You can treat solar cell like a battery. Guys, look back to this. What is this connection? This is parallel. Can see that? Parallel. Parallel. Finally, will the energy increase? No, the voltage won't increase. And then this is series.
This was the test.
So actually, what is this? This is series. They put N to N, 可以吗？ Series only we will increase the voltage. Parallel we don't increase voltage. So for the battery, for the source, we most of the time we use series. Why series? I look at this diagram. Why series? Yeah, so it will increase the voltage. By the way, what is the name of voltage from the battery? EMF. Yeah, or we can say it will have greater EMF, 可以吗？potential difference 也可以。Okay 啦 so far that's all for today. Wait. Next week bring please do the module 217, 218. Yeah, like module 216 to 218 可以吗？ Next week bring even though next week we start revision, I want to see you really do first Okay, class 10. Wait. Class 10. Okay, please. Okay, bye Wendy.